Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Nissan Rogue 3 T33 represents the third generation of Nissan's popular compact crossover SUV. It debuted in North America on June 15, 2020 for the 2021 model year, bringing a comprehensive redesign with a sharper exterior, a more refined interior, and updated technology and powertrains. Like its predecessor, the T33 Rogue is closely related to the Nissan X-Trail sold in global markets. Here's a detailed look at the Nissan Rogue 3 T33. Model description. The T33 Rogue features a more assertive and modern design compared to the softer lines of the T32. Exterior, characterized by a more prominent V-motion grille, split headlight design, and generally more angular and muscular styling. The rear also received a significant update with new taillight designs. Interior, a major upgrade focusing on premium feel and functionality. It often includes higher quality materials, a more sophisticated dashboard layout with an electronic shifter, and improved ergonomics. Available features include larger digital gauge clusters, head-up displays, and larger infotainment screens, 8-inch or 9-inch, with a 12.3-inch screen on higher trims post-facelift. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto became available. Cargo space continues to offer generous cargo volume, with a flexible cargo management system. Technology and safety comes with an extensive suite of standard safety features, including Nissan Safety Shield 360, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, high beam assist, rear automatic braking. Higher trims offer ProPilot Assist, semi-autonomous driving, and later ProPilot Assist 2.1 with hands-off driving capabilities on certain highways. Faults and breakdowns. While newer, the T33 generation has faced some notable concerns, particularly with its revised powertrains. Engine failure. 1.5 VC turbo. This is the most significant concern. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, opened an investigation into customer complaints of engine failure in Nissan's KR15 DDT, 1.5 VC turbo, and KR20 DDT engines. Complaints cite loss of motive power, engine knock/noise, and metal chunks/shavings in the oil pan, with the cause appearing to be main bearing and L-link seizures and damages. This is a serious issue that has led to many engine replacements. Gas smell in cabin, a frequently reported issue, particularly for the 2023 model year, where a strong gasoline odor is present inside the cabin, raising concerns about safety and health risks. Brake malfunctions, reports of sudden brake failures, even at moderate speeds, and issues with the forward collision avoidance system either failing to activate or initiating unnecessary braking due to false obstacle detection. Transmission problems, CVT. While Nissan stated improvements to the CVT for the T33, some owners still report erratic shifting, hesitation, and unexpected power loss. There have also been reports of rollaway issues where the vehicle moves despite the parking brake being applied. Electrical and infotainment system faults, glitches with infotainment screens, unresponsive touch controls, and unexpected dimming of headlights. Cruise control disabling unexpectedly is also reported. Airbag deployment failures. Alarming reports of airbags failing to deploy in collisions, compromising passenger safety. Recalls. Several recalls have been issued, including for seatbelt problems, improperly attached driver's seats, and improper airbag inflators. Disadvantages. Potential engine reliability issues. The widespread reports and NHTSA investigation into the 1.5 VC turbo engine are a major concern for long-term reliability. CVT performance. While improved, the CVT still doesn't offer the engaging driving experience of a traditional automatic and can sometimes feel slow to respond or exhibit surging behavior. Ride quality. Some reviews note that the ride can feel busier and less refined over rough roads compared to some competitors, transmitting more road imperfections into the cabin. Wind and road noise. Elevated wind and road noise at highway speeds have been mentioned in some reviews. Rear seat space. While generally spacious, some competitors offer slightly more rear legroom. Advantages. Stylish and modern design. The T33 Rogue has a more contemporary and appealing exterior and a significantly upgraded, more upscale interior. Comfortable interior. Comfortable front seats, an airy cabin, and good overall passenger volume contribute to a pleasant experience. Generous cargo space. Continues to excel in cargo capacity, offering excellent versatility for hauling gear. Advanced technology. A strong suit with available large digital displays, advanced infotainment, wireless connectivity, and comprehensive driver assist systems, ProPilot Assist, Safety Shield 360. Good fuel economy. The 1.5 VC turbo engine offers competitive fuel efficiency for its class. Comprehensive safety features. Nissan Safety Shield 360 as standard across all trims provides a high level of passive and active safety. Fuel consumption. The primary engine for the T33 Rogue offers good fuel economy. 1.5 VC turbo, FWD, EPA estimated around 8.1 L/100 km city/6.3 L/100 km highway, 30 mpg city/37 mpg highway. 1.5 VC turbo, AWD slightly lower, around 8.4 L/100 km city/6.7 L/100 km highway, 28 mpg city/35 mpg highway. Actual mileage can vary based on driving conditions, habits, and vehicle load. Engines. For the Nissan Rogue 3 T33, in North America, there have been two main engine offerings. 2.5 inline, 4 PR25DD. Initially, for the 2021 model year, the T33 Rogue carried over an updated version of the 2.5 naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine from the previous generation, producing 181 horsepower. This was paired with a revised Stronach CVT. 1.5 VC turbo inline 3 KR15 DDT introduced for the 2022 model year. This turbocharged 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine with variable compression technology became the primary engine. It produces 201 horsepower and 225 lb-ft of torque, offering more power and better fuel efficiency than the 2.5 engine it replaced. It is also paired with an updated Stronach CVT. The 2.5 was fully dropped in Canada for the 2024 model year. E-Power Hybrid. In markets outside North America, as the X-Trail T33, a series hybrid e-Power system is available, combining the 1.5 VC turbo engine with an electric motor for propulsion. This is not available in the North American Rogue. Dimensions. The dimensions are generally consistent across the T33 generation. Length. Approximately 4,635 to 4,648 millimeters, 182.5 to 183.0 inches. Width. Approximately 1839 millimeters, 72.4 inches. Height. Approximately 1,669 to 1,689 millimeters, 65.7 to 66.5 inches. Wheelbase. Approximately 2,705 millimeters, 106.5 inches. Ground clearance. Around 208 to 212 millimeters, 8.2 to 8.3 inches. Seating capacity, 5 passengers. No third row option like some early T32s. Cargo volume, approximately 1033 liters, 36.5 cubic feet, behind the second row, expanding to around 2,100 liters, 74.1 cubic feet, with the second row folded. Servicing. Routine servicing for the T33 Rogue is similar to other modern vehicles, but with a strong emphasis on the specific engine and transmission. Oil changes. Adhere to manufacturer recommendations, typically every 8,000 to 12,000 kilometers, 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or 6 months. CVT fluid changes. Essential for CVT longevity. Consult the owner's manual for recommended intervals, often every 96,000 kilometers or 60,000 miles, but more frequently for severe driving conditions. Given past CVT concerns and ongoing reports, diligent CVT fluid maintenance is critical. Engine inspections, especially 1.5 EC turbo. Given the NHTSA investigation, it's prudent to be vigilant about any unusual engine noises, loss of power, or smells. Regular, quality oil changes are vital for this engine, as are discussions with your dealer about any available service bulletins or updated maintenance protocols. Software updates for various vehicle systems, including infotainment, driver assist features, and engine/transmission control modules. Brake and tire maintenance, filter replacements, standard service items. Car history. The Nissan Rogue T33 is the third generation of the Rogue line. June 15, 2020. Unveiled in North America for the 2021 model year. September 22, 2020. Production began in the United States. 2021 model year. Launched with the updated 2.5 naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine, PR25DD. 2022 model year. Saw a significant powertrain update with the introduction of the 1.5 VC turbo three-cylinder engine, KR15DDT, replacing the 2.5 as the primary engine. The Stronach CVT also received updates for improved efficiency and a wider gear ratio spread. October 16, 2023. A facelift for the 2024 model year was unveiled, featuring redesigned front and rear fascias. Higher trims, SL and Platinum, gained a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen with Google built-in. The 2.5 engine was fully dropped in Canada in favor of the 1.5 EC turbo. December 13, 2023. NHTSA opened an investigation into engine failures related to the KR15DDT and KR20DDT engines used in some Nissan models, including the Rogue. Which engine to choose? This is a critical decision for the T33 Rogue due to the reported issues. 2.5 inline for 2021 model year. If you're considering a 2021 Rogue, it will have the 2.5 naturally aspirated engine. This engine, while not as powerful or fuel efficient as the later VC turbo, has a longer track record and has not been associated with the same severe failure modes as the 1.5 VC turbo in the T33. However, it is still paired with a CVT, so CVT maintenance and its inherent characteristics remain factors. 1.5 VC turbo inline 3, 2022 plus model years. This engine offers more power and better fuel economy. However, the ongoing NHTSA investigation and numerous owner complaints about engine failure, knocking, metal shavings, loss of power, seizure, are serious concerns. While Nissan stated they are addressing these failures, it's a significant risk factor for potential buyers. Recommendation. Given the documented and investigated engine issues with the 1.5 VC turbo engine, if reliability is a top priority, the 2021 model year Rogue with the 2.5 engine would be the safer choice for a used T33 generation vehicle, despite its slightly lower performance and fuel economy. If you are considering a 2022 or newer Rogue with the 1.5 VC turbo, proceed with extreme caution. Thorough pre-purchase inspection, absolutely critical. Have a trusted mechanic, ideally one familiar with Nissan's VC turbo engines. Perform a comprehensive inspection, including checking for engine noises, oil condition, and any signs of metal particulate. Service history. Demand a complete service history, looking for consistent oil changes and any records of engine-related issues or repairs. Warranty status. If buying used, understand the remaining warranty coverage. An extended warranty might be a wise investment for this particular engine. Stay informed. Keep an eye on news regarding the NHTSA investigation and any potential recalls or extended warranty programs related to the 1.5 VC turbo engine. Ultimately, the T33 Rogue offers a compelling package in terms of design, interior, and technology. However, the engine reliability concerns, particularly with the 1.5 VC turbo, overshadow these advantages for many potential buyers. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.